What's up, y'all, my YouTube family, returning subscribers and first-time viewers? You're so welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful crown you see right here. So if you like what you see, then stick around and watch this video to the end. Do not fail to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification for more updates. Mwah.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind.
Well, alright then, let's get into it. For this tutorial, we're going to need a white cardboard paper, some glowing stones, a blade, a pair of scissors, and of course a sellotape. And then, before I forget, paper glue. Firstly, we're going to be taking 3 different measurements respectively, which are 14 and 7 inches respectively, which are for the height and the size of the crown. The first measurement we're going to be taking is 14 inches, which is for the length of the crown. I want the crown to be as long as possible, so when I make it round into the circumference, it's going to fit on my head perfectly. And then next up, I'm going to measure half of 14 inches, which is 7 inches. This is like where I want the middle of my crown to be, to make sure that I get the middle right. And then next I go ahead to measure the height of the crown, which is the second 7 inches, because I want it to be really tall. A big queen deserves a tall crown. So I started my drawing out by making a semicircle, and after the semicircle I made some curves around it from the beginning to the end of the other side, and then I made my sketch. My sketch came to life. I mean, I can't draw, but I think I did justice with that. I hope you can actually see, because I filmed this video when it was quite dark, so I tried my best, guys. I really did try my best. And then when I cut out, this is what my sketch came out to look like. And forgive my symmetry, I mean, apologies, people. This is a crime. This is a crime. Yours could be better. So this is what mine looks like. You can see that one of the edges is not perfect, but I mean, my art skills look seriously amazing. I went ahead to double the base to make it a little stronger. You know, this is paper we're talking about here, although it looks this good. So I added another extra paper to the bottom to make the base stronger, and then when I finished gumming that, it made it a little thicker, so when I put it on my head, it's gonna sit right, it's gonna sit right, it's gonna sit right and look perfect. Oh my god. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm being silly. So I finished sticking that on, and then I cut out the excesses from the edges, and then still my symmetry was, oh my god. Maybe I was actually not looking properly. Oh god. Then I went ahead to add stones, and then when I added these stones, oh my god, it came to life. It just brought everything to life. You need to find the best stones. I started by adding blue and then bandada. You can see that it looks so nice. These guys, you don't have to be an artist to do any of this. You don't have to be a mathematician. You see, I didn't do a lot of maths. Just did 3 simple measurements and then drew, and came up with this. It looks so nice. I mean, I never knew paper could look this good. Just bother. It's so nice. Oh god. I know this is like a very, very crazy voiceover, but forgive me. I mean, this is my mood today. This is how I'm feeling. So I want you guys to have an experience of how I feel. So this is how I feel. I mean, oh my god, can you see how perfectly the crown sits on my head? I'm sure it'll look better on you if you try it out. I mean, so gorgeous. It looks so good. I'm proud of the results. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. I love you so much. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification so you'll be the first to know each time I upload a new video. Don't go anywhere. Watch these.